Welcome to August 7 pre-market video. Looking at the Dow yesterday, we can see that we had again a very narrow range day, just staying within the same type of trading range in the last few days we've had. Let's look at it. Basically we're just going from support to resistance to support again, and we need to stay there. I'm just showing you the daily chart. You can see this is something that we need to manage to stay in there, and then we could have another leg up. This with the QQQ looks like we broke again the low of yesterday, of Wednesday. So that's a sign that can tell me we could go back to this level, to around 39, and then if we break that, then we have a pullback going on, probably lower in these area. That would be a good place, which could be a good thing for the market. So now let's look at a few of the stock, because most of the hot stock we had in the last few days were not able to make new highs in most cases. Let's look. Nini is one of them. Yesterday it gapped up just a little bit, and then it came back and erased most of the gain we had on Wednesday. So that's not necessarily very positive sign, if I put it nicely. We entered around this level here. So it was just over $1.03 and $4, I think, and then the move, took us there. So it doesn't. There's no follow through on this powerful move of Wednesday. So we'll see what happened today, but I might be out pretty quickly. AWSL. This one could consolidate in this range and probably make another move up. Let's look at it. Let's look at the chart on a bigger, with a bigger view. Definitely something is being started now, and we need to watch it and monitor it properly. FRNTQ, just want to show you, this is some trend lines I draw there. We basically haven't made any new high since we broke this low. Any new high over the previous day's bar. So we're just managing it and watching, not managing because we're no longer in, but just watching when a reversal would be a good point to enter. ECET is also one thing that is not moving much, which is understandable. BEHL, that's one that you really want to be specific in watching how it pull back. You see, it doesn't make any new high. I'm just going to show you on the daily. Yeah, this there, we broke this low. Then again, we've never been able to make a new high. So that's what we wait if we want to reload. And the deeper it's going, the less interesting it will become for us to reload in this stock. Okay. BIEL is the same principle. I'm just watching for new highs to decide when we get back into that one. Now that we broke this low actually, this one there, that was a sign to get out, and now just waiting. MDOR, there's nothing to do in this one right now in this market with this type of volume. I'm just staying aside, even if it could be something interesting. Just a personal feeling. Then right here, NVSR is the same principle. We're just waiting for a new high. It could consolidate in these level and then move up on a secondary move if you want. So we'll watch this one. PPG JE. Just a second. I need to zoom onto this. Basically, what I see is some consolidation here in this range. And then it could break this and on strong volume, and we could have another play on this one. GGWPQ just pulled back by a lot. It's just a second. Yeah, it did pull back by a lot, and obviously we entered lower, but I took some profit yesterday when I saw it, with all the topping tail. Now, for the position we have left, I just want to make sure we don't go under yesterday's low, and then actually it's really this bar I'm looking at, because then we would just break even on this trade, and that's fine, but didn't have the power to go much higher. So that's it for today. I'm looking at some other stock that I know have been promoted, and I'm not seeing much response right now. So that's how we will end this newsletter for today. And I might send some other alerts because I'm looking at other stock that could be potentially interesting for the next few weeks, actually. So watch for your alerts maybe later today. So on this, I wish you a great weekend and a great trading day, and we'll see you on Monday. Thanks a lot.